Hello everyone, I'm Goral Gandhi, founder director at Indonippon IVF, Mumbai. Today I'm happy to announce that after a brief suspension of services in mid-March due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we are now ready to welcome back patients and resume our services in a gradual, stepwise manner. At Indonippon IVF, we are fully committed to maintaining and protecting the health and safety of our patients as well as our staff. We are also committed to doing our part in preventing the spread of the COVID-19 disease. But we also know that fertility treatments are time sensitive, and we take very seriously the grief and anxiety associated with not being able to access care. With both these priorities in mind, we have formulated certain new policies and protocols that will allow us to safely resume our fertility services. These policies are based on many national and international guidelines published by academic bodies of our field. Let me walk you through the new policies adopted at Indonippon IVF. Before we started seeing a single patient, we had very thoroughly deep cleaned the entire premises. We have stringent daily disinfection protocols in place which are being strictly adhered to. We have revalidated all our equipment in the embryology lab because we wanted to ensure that we have the same perfect environment in our lab for your embryos to grow. When you start coming to us, you will notice a lot of other things about the new policies. When you seek an appointment with us, there will be a triage. This means that you will be asked a set of questions including the possible coronavirus symptoms, whether you have been in close contact with any COVID-19 patient, your travel history, etc. If all your answers are negative, then you will be seen and offered treatment. This triage will be repeated multiple times during your treatment to ensure that there are no changes in your situation. At around day 8 or 9 of the stimulation, the couple will need to undergo a COVID-19 test. The appointments will be staggered, and as far as possible, there will be no overlap. The time gap between two appointments will be increased so that we have enough time to thoroughly disinfect all the areas between two patients. We will ensure that each person entering the clinic is wearing a mask, has a temperature check at the entry point. The person will need to disinfect hands at the entry point. And all the patients will be given a face shield as an added layer of protection for the patients as well as the staff. There will be multiple hand sanitization stands across the clinic to maintain the hand hygiene. Another change you will notice is that many of your appointments will be teleconsultations. We will try and minimize your visits to the clinic. We will also encourage you to come alone without your partner for certain visits like blood tests and scans. Personal protective equipment or PPE is something that is not new to any IVF clinic. However, in these times, you will notice some added layer of PPE for all the staff. For example, everybody will be wearing a mask, cap, gloves, and a face shield. Even the patients will be given some extra PPE. We have really thought through each and every procedure, every parameter. So please rest assured you can very safely resume your family building goals with us at Indonippon IVF, having strong confidence in your heart that your clinic has taken all possible steps to minimize the exposure to the virus. We all know that the virus is not going away anytime soon, and this is going to be the new normal in which Indonippon IVF will operate for months to come. In fact, even before the pandemic, I used to train all my students and embryologists to be almost paranoid about hand hygiene and disinfection in the lab. And I feel that in these COVID times, it is always better to err on the side of excess as far as social distancing, hand hygiene, and disinfection protocols are concerned. I thank all my patients for being very supportive. I know it has been really frustrating for some of you with low ovarian reserve who are running a race against time to lose these 2 to 3 months of time. However, I am very happy to say that we are finally back at doing what we do best, creating families and spreading happiness. Remember that we'll not be seeing any walk-in patients, so please book prior appointments. See you soon, and until we meet again, keep well and stay safe.